Imagine a world where your deepest thoughts, emotions, and intentions could be decoded and stored. Neurotechnology is making this a reality, offering incredible benefits but also raising profound questions about privacy. So, what is HIPAA compliance for neurotechnology data? It is the crucial adherence to the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act's regulations when handling sensitive health information generated by neurotechnological devices and applications. This ensures the safeguarding of highly personal brain activity data. The core reason HIPAA applies is that neurotechnology often collects protected health information, or PHI. This includes data about an individual's health status, provision of health care, or payment for health care, which can be linked to that individual. Neurotechnology, like brain-computer interfaces or neuroimaging, generates incredibly sensitive PHI such as neural signals, cognitive states, and even potential diagnoses. HIPAA has several key components designed to protect this. The privacy rule sets standards for who can access and use PHI, while the security rule mandates technical and physical safeguards to protect electronic PHI from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. Finally, the breach notification rule requires covered entities to notify individuals when their unsecured PHI has been compromised. The sheer intimacy of neurotechnology data makes these protections paramount, guarding against misuse or discrimination based on brain information. For researchers, developers, and healthcare providers working with neurotechnology, achieving HIPAA compliance involves several practical steps. First, obtaining clear, informed consent from individuals about what data is collected, how it will be used, and who will have access to it is fundamental. Next, implementing robust technical safeguards is essential, including encryption for data at rest and in transit, access controls to limit who can view data, and audit trails to track data access. De-identification techniques are also critical, turning PHI into anonymized data that cannot be linked back to an individual, thereby reducing HIPAA's stringent requirements. Regular staff training on HIPAA policies and procedures ensures everyone handling neurotechnology data understands their responsibilities. A key HIPAA principle applicable here is the minimum necessary standard. This means that covered entities must make reasonable efforts to limit the use and disclosure of PHI to the minimum necessary amount required to achieve the intended purpose. This is particularly relevant for neurotechnology, given the breadth of data it can capture. Furthermore, understanding the distinction between a covered entity and a business associate is vital. A covered entity, like a hospital or a neurotechnology clinic, directly handles PHI. A business associate, such as a cloud storage provider for neurodata, performs services involving PHI on behalf of a covered entity. Both have HIPAA obligations. Employing advanced de-identification methods, such as K-anonymity or differential privacy, can offer stronger protection for neurotechnology data while still allowing for valuable research and development. By embracing HIPAA compliance, the neurotechnology field not only protects the highly sensitive personal information of individuals but also builds crucial public trust. This foundational trust is essential for the ethical development and widespread adoption of transformative neurotechnologies, ensuring that innovation proceeds hand in hand with robust privacy safeguards and respect for individual autonomy.